Ugh, AI is scary. Or is it? I've seen all the Terminator movies, where Skynet takes over the world. But is that what's happening right now? Have you ever Googled something? Asked Siri something? Is your car taking you places, telling you where to go? You're already using AI right now, and you have been for a while. Yeah, but I'm gonna lose my job. You might. Listen, when the electric light bulb was invented, the guys that used to go around and light all the street lights, their job disappeared. When refrigeration came into homes, the Iceman lost their job. When's the last time you posted a letter? Like, really? Mail delivery is gonna disappear too. That's change. That's progress. And change can be scary. Mankind's strength is how we evolve, how we change, how we do things differently. So if you think your job is going to disappear, maybe it's time to start thinking out of the box. This is a good time to take a bit of a risk and see if there's something else you want to do. Because AI is here and it's just going to keep going. And that's the way it is. If you want to go live in the woods, off the land, then that's the only way you're going to get around it. AI is a tool. It's a hammer that thinks, a paintbrush that suggests strokes. It's a compass that shows different possibilities. And tools don't take jobs, they change the way things are done. And people who think that AI is a threat are often thinking about the jobs that they knew. The history shows us you don't lose a life doing a thing. You lose it when you stop adapting who you are and how you do things. So the question isn't, is AI our enemy? The question is, do we use AI to expand what we can do? Or do we let it define who we are? And people have always worried about technology, new tools. They worried that the car would kill the horse. They worried that the phone would kill conversation, that the internet would kill human interaction. And guess what? None of that ended humanity. It just changed where our attention goes. And AI is like that. You don't need to be afraid of the tool. It allows us to do so much more if it's used properly. And we need to be good at these machines. We can't do everything alone.